Top 5 Best Renters Insurance Companies. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. State Farm. State Farm offers nationwide renters insurance coverage at affordable rates with customizable policy options. In addition, multi-policy discounts are available, as are discounts for installing a home security system. This insurer has an A++ rating from AM Best and an AA rating from S&P Global Ratings thanks to its financial soundness and ability to pay claims. MetLife. MetLife is another nationally recognized name that offers renters insurance coverage. Basic policies include coverage to repair or replace property up to the actual cash value. Additional coverage is available if you'd like to insure specialty items, such as electronics, musical instruments, luxury items, and sports equipment, for amounts up to $15,000. American Family Insurance. American Family Insurance offers affordable coverage for liability, replacement costs for stolen items, and hotel stays if you're unable to stay in your rental home because of a covered event. Add-on coverage is available for medical insurance for pets. Jewelry can be covered up to $1,500, and you can also include coverage for a home office or home business space. Farmers. Farmers rates near the top for claim satisfaction according to J.D. Power. The company offers standard renters insurance policies with discounts for installing home security systems and being a non-smoker. Coverage includes personal liability, personal property, replacement costs for personal property, medical payments, identity theft, and additional living expenses. In addition, policyholders can easily bundle renters policies with auto, personal articles, and life insurance. Nationwide. Nationwide offers basic renters insurance covering personal property, loss of use, personal liability, medical payments to others, building additions and alterations, and unauthorized credit card charges. You can also add on coverage for valuables and collectibles, earthquakes, water damage, and theft protection for personal belongings that are stored in a vehicle, trailer, or watercraft. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.